Okay, I'm going to show you how to install the latest working version of Terrarium TV using the Ultra Wizard. First off though, let's go ahead and if you have Terrarium TV now and it's not working, you need to delete that. So let's go into System and we're going to head over here to Apps, and then we see Terrarium TV listed. Oh, also I'm going to go ahead and delete the MX player so I can show you how to install that using the wizard. So I'm going to click on that, and then right here on uninstall I'm going to click that, and it's going to ask me if I want to uninstall. Okay. Confirms again. Yes. Okay. And it's gone. So we're going to do the same thing to Terrarium TV. So let's go ahead and select Terrarium TV. Click on uninstall. Click on OK. And then we go ahead and verify. Click OK. And now it's uninstalled. So here's how we're going to go ahead and install the new Terrarium TV using the Ultra Wizard in Kodi. So let's open our Kodi. And here we are on the latest build. If you don't have this build, get in the Ultra Wizard and go ahead and install this. So let's roll through here. Oh, there's the Ultra Wizard right there. Go ahead and open the Ultra Wizard. It'll take a second to open here. And right here in the section called APK Installer, click on that. Now we're going to see Terrarium TV and the MX player. Now I prefer to use the MX player with Terrarium TV, so I'm going to go ahead and download that and install it, and this is the latest version. So let's go ahead and click on MX player, click on download, and these are small files. They'll download quick. Okay, we're downloaded, so yes, let's click on install and install. And it is done, so let's click done. Now back here we're going to go ahead and install the latest Terrarium TV. Click on download. As you can see, it's not a large file. It'll download quick. And yes, let's install it. Click install. And let's go ahead and open it. We're going to click allow. Click on this OK box, and then let's choose the MX player for our default player. Click accept, and you're in business. So let's just pull up something real quick. Right here, we'll click on Iron Fist, Season 2. You gotta click on a couple buttons the first time through. Oh yeah, we got this. And switch video player, little message right there. Click on that button. That's just the first time you run it. You have to click a few things. So let's just go ahead and choose this file right here. Click on play. And allow the MX player. And we're in business. I'll back out of that, and that's all there is to it. Installing the Terrarium TV and the MX player easiest way possible using the Ultra Wizard. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.